You were the daughter of a naval officer and a poet and a painter mother.
Yes, and a technical writer also.
And a technical writer. How incredible. So naval officer and ऐसी लड़की जो इतना रुतबेदार, how does he handle this girl with infinite energy, gorgeous big smile, big eyes, being on Big Boss? What does he say about all of this?
No. The irony of life is really different. So my dad was obviously very adventurous, and he was a naval officer. He's done lots of stuff in life. And he used to keep telling, and I was very tomboyish in my younger days.
You?
I was a total boy. And I used to I was in awe of my dad, and I wanted to be like my dad. So
How incredible.
I would imitate him. I would act like a guy, and I only had guy friends, and I would play football just the way he used to play football. And when I grew up, my dad was like, यार ये लड़की तो सुंदर बनती जा रही है, इसको अब नीचे नहीं खेलने देना है. There are a lot of young chichoras around now. So they were very strict. They used to not let me play down. I didn't have friends. I was not allowed to go for birthday parties. I was not allowed to go for stayovers. Nothing. फिर क्या होता है मेरे लाइफ में, मैं एक्ट्रेस बन जाती हूँ.
कौन सी थी पहली मूवी? At what age?
So my first ever project that I did was a Sanskrit show called Kadambari that used to come in Doordarshan. This was directed by the Barefoot director who made the first Sanskrit film in the world called Adi Shankaracharya, G.V. Iyer ji.
And were you speaking in Sanskrit? Was it dubbed?
I was speaking in Sanskrit.
आप इतनी फुलझड़ी जैसी हैं, आप effervescent हैं, you have such high energy, you're so gorgeous. कुछ तो अंदर दर्द, थोड़े टूटे फूटे pieces भी होंगे. I have 100 दर्द भरी कहानीज to share.
Now see, what has happened is बचपन से तो things like family was very strict about everything, and I used to always feel that I'm not having a kind of a normal childhood, and I completely understand that because Papa was in Calcutta, Mom was away, single-handedly raising us, also working in an office, and Bombay jaise shehar mein without any help or whatever. It's too much. And I was the elder child, so I had to take care of my brother also, and I have to take care of Mom also. So बहुत ही restricted, and economically we've been raised. So because of that, I used to feel very restricted and not free कि मुझे मेरा normal childhood जो है वो enjoy करने नहीं मिल रहा, जबकि मेरे सारे friends करते हैं.
But how do you know normal versus not normal as a child?
Normal, like going for picnics, going for stayovers, going for birthday parties, going for something. I was not allowed to go anywhere. Because mom used to be scared कि वो office जा रही बच्चों को कौन ख्याल रखेगा. Her reason was very genuine. तो उसके बाद लाइफ में कमाल ही हो गया कि मैं तो लॉ की पढ़ाई के लिए I went to
you've gone to law school in Bombay.
Yeah, so I was studying that, and I chose that because nobody in my family was a lawyer. Otherwise we have
lawyer and liar ka.
नहीं, lawyer only, not a liar. I wish I was a liar.
Why law?
Because घर पे कोई lawyer था नहीं professionally. Secondly, I think मैं बचपन से ही बहुत cause and effect, logics, ये सब चीज़ें मैं बहुत ध्यान देती हूँ. Like अगर suppose मुझे पूजा में भी बिठाया जाए और मुझे नहीं explain किया जाए.
You need a contract between God and you?
I need a contract that you have to make me understand what am I doing, why am I doing, what is the cause, what is the effect of it, what is the reason of it, every detail.
And you do a lot of puja?
I used to.
पर फिर law didn't work out. क्या हुआ?
नहीं, law में कर नहीं पाई because I used to participate in these intercollegiate competitions and all.
Doing what? Acting?
मतलब fashion shows and dance. Acting उतना ज़्यादा नहीं करती थी मैं, skit wit नहीं करती थी because for some reason I was more inclined towards dance and all. I actually wanted to be a dancer, apart from law.
कथक और भरतनाट्यम?
कथक, दोनों. फिर one celebrity manager happened. उस टाइम पे agencies वगैरह नहीं होती थी. So somebody spotted me and बोला कि तुम्हारा face, तुम्हारा body सब कुछ एकदम South Indian movies के लिए perfect है.
क्या? What makes your face and body perfect for South Indian?
I was little voluptuous. I was not so skinny.
और ये ऐसी बातें बोल लेते हैं casting director
बोल लेते हैं मुंह पे कि आपका फेस, आपका फिगर एकदम साउथ मूवीज के लिए.
Did you ask?
मैंने बोला कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं पता. I've never done and I've not even seen a South film, यार. I don't know. He took some Sridevi ji and a lot of legendary people का name he took and said that South movies ऐसे होते, अच्छे होते, ये होते, वो होते. तो मैंने बोला मम्मी डैडी को घर जाके कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसा ऑफर आया, पापा ने पहले ना बोल दिया, बिल्कुल नहीं, what nonsense ये वो blah blah blah. Then mommy also said that हाँ ठीक है, forget it. We don't know anybody who to ask, whom to consult. Then he said that, see, as long as you are traveling, one of us is traveling with her and seeing everything is fine or not, then it's okay. We should give it a shot. Because astrologically, so many pundits in my childhood have said that this girl is
Going to do
definitely
something.
do something in the creative field. She's very
Public
good.
sphere.
She's very good in fine arts and she's made for it. So with that thought in mind, they are like, let's give it a shot and see. That is when I did my first Kadambari, the TV show I'm talking
In
about.
Sanskrit.
वो happened, वहाँ से मेरे सारे pictures फैल गए. I got my first film over there. It was a super duper popular film over there. And then the journey of me studying simultaneously with the shooting, it all started. Mom had to leave her job, travel with me to Hyderabad to shoot.
And did it change your family dynamic, the family?
It definitely upgraded us a lot because
You were able to earn what your mother was earning and more through your...
yeah. Because
How
I was a
incredible
heroine,
is that?
right? See, हम लोग को pension मिलता है and we have lot of perks and benefits and all that is there. But still, because there were two houses that were being... Papa was in Calcutta, right? And he would travel.
Yeah.
And Mama is handling this house plus working also. And restriction तो थे ही ना economically. वो सब था. Even though my grandparents were right next door and all, but they were also aging. वो लोग भी कितना ही help कर लेंगे हम लोग को. So it changed and I started enjoying the pocket money. My mom very strictly told me पहले graduation खत्म होगा उसके बाद ही आप
आगे जाएगी इसमें.
हाँ उसके पहले free time में जहाँ पे exams नहीं है आसपास whatever movie you're getting you're free to do, otherwise no, strictly no. Now comes the difficult part of my life. Movies कर रही हूँ, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी pictures मेरे पास आ रही है.
And lead roles.
Of course, some producers and directors are getting very offended ki I'm turning it down. Why? Because I have exams to do and people are like, people leave studies for acting and you are leaving acting for studies. What nonsense. Why did you even join the industry? Yeah. Now, South May, what happens when you don't continuously pick films? It takes you to a very different level when you're non-stop doing movies because every day a new girl is being launched. It is highly competitive industry and that time I never understood the depth of this. Nor did I have a decent manager to make me understand that ठीक है यार studies manage कर ले किसी भी तरह से. यहाँ पे career बन रहा है, you can be a very big star and you're getting all the opportunities, just do it. And then mummy को कैसे समझाऊं? Her point is also right that you need to have a backup in life. And nothing bigger than an education. Then suddenly I lost my dad.
To what?
Heart attack. He was 60. खुद को थोड़ा Superman समझते थे पापा. Because he's a Navy guy, military guy, and 4 बजे उठ जाते थे. He was a workaholic. So we lost him. Me and my mom were shooting in UK for a Indo.
UK as in United Kingdom or Uttarakhand?
United Kingdom, London. हम लोग एक Indo-Brit web series बना रहे थे. By then I had finished my first Hindi film कमाल धमाल मालामाल.
Yes, इतना बड़ा नाम.
मालामाल वीकली का सीक्वल था वो प्रियदर्शन सर ने मुझे हिंदी में लॉन्च की थी. Then एक और इंडो-ब्रिट फिल्म की मैंने which was so lengthy that they made it into a web series and it's there on Amazon right now, you can watch it.
Oh, tell us the name again.
It's called Barun Rai, The House on the Cliff.
I'll have to go see it.
You have to.